Thank you very much for joining in. Closing at the high point of the day for all the key indices, up 0.5% on the Sensex and Nifty. The midcaps are powering with a gain of 3/4 of a percentage point. The Nifty Bank is higher by nearly 1%. I think that's the big, change that banks have performed today. So whether it's, IndusInd Bank, which is topping the chart in the banking pack, State Bank of India is higher by 1.7%, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, all the banks today have done well. There was no exception to that rule. Apart from that, Power, Coal India, these are stocks which did well. The possibility of a large deal on L&T pushed the stock to levels above 2,850. So that was a big mover. IT contributed. Tech Mahindra, LTI Mindtree up nearly 0.5%. On the losing side, Torrent Pharma, some profit booking. Tata Consumer weak. Britannia under pressure. Tata Consumer, of course, some profit booking after yesterday's sudden rally in the last 1 hour, denying talks about, buying Haldiram's. M&M a bit subdued in trade too.
Well, of course, on the mid-cap screens, lots and lots of action there as well. IRFC, REC, PFC, a lot of these financiers, government-owned financiers, all of them have had a great session today. There's United Breweries. We were just discussing that story with Mangalam telling us more about the new person who's come in charge, 5% up. Shipbuilders we have discussed. Big gains on Mazgaon, 9%. Cochin Shipyard, 20% circuit, and even Garden Reach having a good day. Look at the new kid from the TVS stable, TVS supply chain. Good day for this one, 9% up on that stock as well. Devyani, Blue Star, it's such a long list of stocks and reasonable size mid caps. These are not even sort of very small micro caps or small caps. Reasonable size stocks that have done exceedingly well today. On the news side, in terms of where the action was, of course, Dixon, Keynes, etc., they were active because of that CLSA note. Keynes is finally going home with a gain of about 2.5%. Dixon also up and about. Jubilant Foods lost some ground on some cautious brokerage commentary that came in today. And, well, in Swift Lab, what do you say? 20% up yesterday, 20% down today.
Curious case, right?
Yeah, I mean, big volume-led cut, actually. Some more losers. I mean, these fertilizer companies, right? Fact, GSFC, they all came off a little bit. I think APL Apollo Rima mentioned earlier. Rate gain is now back below 600 once again. HPL Electric, right? I mean, Genus Power and HPL have been sort of twins rising together. So that came off a little bit as well. Actually, in the large caps, I mean, L&T started flat, right? I mean, the order came through earlier on. But it was not as if it started with a big gain or anything. It started flat, and as the market picked up, I mean, it basically kept moving higher. So that's a big mover into which you could have bought into right at open. I mean, it started at 27.30 and ends 50 rupees higher from that point on. Closes 28.46 on Larsen & Toubro. So that's what you have. Actually, more, sorry. That's a big one coming through, 115 rupee gain. 19,723 is what you have in the index, 112 points higher. So pretty good look. Once again, we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. It's goodbye. Thank you for watching. But don't go anywhere. Our Thursday special, Big Deal, is coming right up.